Here we go, 7-unit property, phase 4. We've got the roof completely redone at this point. Finishing up some sheeting here over the entryway here on the single family home. This is the south side of the property. There's the laundry room that you're looking at. They're buttoning up that end. We've got the plumbing all done on the interior, at least roughed out. They cut a hole in the brick wall so that the tenants can get access to the laundry room from the inside of the house. We've got all of the sewer lines repaired. This is the east end of the house. Wiring's going in. Camera's looking west. We've got the gas meters. We're disabling the gas lines because they're shot, so we're moving all to electric at this point. Roof is completely on at this point, and we've got everything's doctored up. There's another shot of the sewer lines, so brand new sewer lines going to the house. There's the laundry room and some pictures of the trusses, and then what you're looking at through that door is the living room. So this end of the property, that's the northwest side, will get completely covered in. They have a couple other trusses to put up here at that point. That's the front entryway door, and just some wiring, finishing up some wiring here, as well as the roof work. All of these posts in the living room will come out once the roof has been completely done. There's the door that was cut in for the laundry room. Now you can do the laundry. You can do the laundry from the comfort of your own home. Plumbing's all done and roughed in. There's the kitchen wall with the new plumbing, as well as all the electrical. And there's the master bathroom, all new plumbing through the floor and wall. Here's another shot looking north, panning through north. So the roof is almost completely done here with a couple trusses left to go. Camera's looking northeast, and so they're buttoning up the west end of the house there on the roof. Roof is ready for the AC unit at this point. This is the east side of the property, so that's been all done with the wiring. The wiring risers have gone in, and the majority of the electrical work is done on the inside other than the finish work. They're buttoning up the laundry room there. There's the finished overhang for the front of the house. The trusses are exposed here in this picture, and they've got them all completed now. Got the plumbing running through the roof there, and getting ready to install the AC unit on the roof. We've got the north side of the property here, so here's the alleyway with the covered parking. There's the new steel gates that have gone in. So you'll need a key to access the property, which makes it nice. On the right side of the photo, you can see a steel gate, and then if you start looking to the left side, there's the back yard for a 2-bedroom unit, and then access to the courtyard. This is the 24th of June. Roofing is going on. Another steel gate for the backyards of the units on the west side of the property. All the exterior has been done, and you can see the AC unit's been installed, and they're putting in the roof. It should be done today on the 24th of June. Another steel gate. They turned out really nice. You'll need a key access as previously discussed there, and once the roof is done, they'll have the inspector come in tomorrow and be ready to do all of the interior work. There's the walkway on the single family home, and that's the east side of the single family home, so it's all gated and secured at this point, with the main electrical getting finished up here. There's the north side of the property, so the alleyway has been secured, and there's this nice steel gate there. And then this is the entryway for the single family home, so that overhang has been completed. They're finishing up the wiring as well as some interior stuff. And like I said, they should get cranking on the interior here in the next day or so. And there's me on day one. Make sure that you hit the little subscribe button down here to the right to stay up to date.